Welcome to Beautyistic. Today, we're diving into the Nova Microdermabrasion Professional 2-in-1 Facial Steamer, a product designed for both at-home and salon use to give your skin a luxurious deep clean and rejuvenation. This steamer promises to open up pores, hydrate your skin, and help reduce wrinkles, all with the added benefits of a 5x magnifying lamp. Let's see how it stacks up. The Nova Facial Steamer combines two powerful features, an ionic ozone facial steamer and a 5x magnifying lamp. The steamer releases hot mist enriched with ionic ozone, which can deeply cleanse your pores by removing oil, dirt, and grime. Over time, it's meant to hydrate your skin, reduce wrinkles, and give you a smoother appearance. The 5x magnifying lamp, with its 120 LED bulbs, is designed to offer a clear view of your skin's details, helping you identify blemishes or areas of concern. It's also adjustable with a 360-degree rotation and a 180-degree tilt to get the perfect angle while you work. Now, let's talk about real-world testing. Setting up this facial steamer is a breeze. The base is equipped with 4 stable legs and wheels, making it easy to move around, whether you're at home or in a professional setting. The height is adjustable, and the sprayer can be rotated to suit your needs. I used it in various conditions, and the steam production was consistent, creating a soothing, spa-like experience. The 5x magnifying lamp's soft LED light provided great visibility without any harsh glare, allowing me to closely examine my skin. On the downside, I did notice that the steamer takes a bit longer to heat up compared to some other models I've tested. Also, the unit is somewhat bulky, which could be an issue for those with limited space. When it comes to pros, the combination of the ionic ozone and magnifying lamp is a standout feature. The steam itself felt refreshing and helped my skin feel deeply cleansed and hydrated. The magnifying lamp was clear and adjustable, which was especially helpful during facials. The materials used, like the stainless steel pipes and anti-rust ABS plastic, feel durable and high quality, giving the unit a solid build. As for cons, it's a bit on the larger side, so it may not be ideal for those with limited space. The heat-up time is a bit slow compared to other steamers on the market. Additionally, it's somewhat heavy, so moving it around constantly could be a hassle if you're in a fast-paced environment. In terms of value for money, the Nova Facial Steamer does offer good features for its price. The combination of two functions, steam and magnification, makes it stand out, and the materials used are of decent quality. However, considering its price point, it might not be the most affordable option out there. If you're looking for something with more budget-friendly alternatives, there are some steamers with similar features, but you may miss out on the added magnifying lamp, which makes this product more unique. Now, comparisons. If we look at other facial steamers on the market, most of them focus purely on steaming. The addition of the 5x magnifying lamp here is what differentiates the Nova. However, if you're just after a steamer and don't need the magnification, you might find a more compact and faster heating option at a lower price. Let's talk build quality. The materials feel sturdy, especially the stainless steel piping. The steamer is durable and resistant to rust, which should give it a decent lifespan with regular use. The adjustable features, like the rotating sprayer and movable base, all add to the long-term usability, although the unit size and weight may pose a challenge for some. As for longevity, no long-term data is available, but based on the materials and construction, it looks promising. Customer support hasn't been a significant factor in my review, as I haven't had to interact with the brand's customer service. However, Nova generally has a solid reputation for providing professional-grade equipment. In terms of alternatives, there are cheaper steamers that offer similar steam functionality, but they usually lack the magnifying lamp, making the Nova Facial Steamer more suited to those who need both features in one unit. To wrap up with the final verdict, the Nova Microdermabrasion Facial Steamer offers a great combination of features: ionic ozone steam for pore cleansing and a 5x magnifying lamp for precision skincare. It's an excellent option for those who want a professional quality facial steamer with a little extra versatility. However, it's not the most compact or fastest heating option out there, so if you're tight on space or need something quicker, you might want to look elsewhere. But if you're looking for a steamer with added functionality for deep cleaning and detailed skin inspection, this could be a great fit. If this review helped, please like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so others who are considering skincare devices can also find this video. Thank you so much for watching, and if you have any thoughts or questions about this steamer, feel free to drop them in the comments below. Until next time, stay glowing, stay beautiful, and keep it beautyistic.